guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm joined with my boyfriend today and we will be doing the 24-hour colour challenge. So we'll be eating a specific coloured food for 24 hours. I haven't done this before on my channel, so it's going to be super fun for you guys hopefully, and it will also be quite a fun experience for us as well, I think. To help us choose the colours, so we're not cheating, we have a colour wheel to choose. And it's got all the main colours on here. I think the most boring colour out of here would be brown, because you could just get anything.
Or green.
Green?
Yeah, because you can find like...
But like not meat or anything.
Yeah, we'll just eat veggies all day.
Yeah, but yeah. So I will press the spin wheel for you, and you press for me.
Okay, can I press first then?
Yep. So that's for me. Let's see what we have.
Oh man, yellow.
Yellow. Okay, I can deal with that. And for you, let's go.
Hopefully it's green or orange.
Green or orange? I thought you wanted
Come on. Get in there.
Green. Yes. There you go. So our colours have been chosen. We're going to the shop to buy our food, and we'll see you in about 2 days or so, just so we can do the challenge for you, and I hope you enjoy. Morning guys, so it's currently Sunday morning, and for today I'll be eating yellow foods for all day, and you'll be eating green foods for all day. So now it's time for breakfast, and I will be having cornflakes, which are definitely yellow. So I'll have cornflakes with banana milkshake. Yeah, and we'll see how that goes. What are you having for breakfast?
So, unfortunately I didn't find any sort of liquidy ingredients that are green, so I got a bit of grapes, so I'll chop them up, and I got kiwis. So yeah, it'll be really amazing breakfast, can't wait.
So we'll get the breakfast prepping. So I've made my breakfast. I've got it here, and as you can see it is very yellow. So that's banana milkshake and cereal. Let's have a taste test. It's not too bad actually. I wouldn't mind eating this. I think the milkshake is just really thick to the usual milk, so it just tastes a bit weird, and the cereal's gone a bit soggy now, but I don't mind it.
So here's my green bowl. So literally nothing there, just kiwis and grapes. Let me dig in. I'll tell you how amazing this is. Kiwis is a bit sour. Wakes me up straight away in the morning.
Right guys, so it's a few hours later now. I had a shower, I've got my computer ready as I'm doing some work today, and I'm just going to have a little snack just before lunch, I should say, just after breakfast, because my breakfast wasn't filling. It's just really strange. I definitely wouldn't have it again, but I'm having this snack. They're really nice, they're 90 calories, and I've had them before actually, and they're yellow, so why not? I think my whole day will consist of yellow foods, well of course yellow foods, but lemon flavour, because that's all I could find really. So this is the lemon drizzle square, and I have yogurt as well that's lemon, and that's it, that's all I have. But yeah, so this is what I'm having as a snack. What are you having? So
I've been a bit more, I guess, on a receiving end. So I have to try new things, whereas you just try the usual, which is a bit boring. You know, leave it down in the comments how boring that is. But I'm having a flavored pea snack.
How does it look?
Sour cream and chive, not baked, not fried. Source of protein and gluten free. So protein, you know, it looks awful. It looks actually disgusting, but
it's actually green, I think.
Well, let's open it. Let's have
You could get away with it. If it's not green, you don't have to eat it.
Let's have a first whiff. it is green. It's like limey color.
Yeah, it's green, so you have to eat it.
You know what? It's pretty delicious. It's pretty delicious.
Would you buy it
Let's
again?
have a look. Bag contains 89 calories, 3 grams of fat, 10 carbs, 2.8 fiber, and almost 4 grams of protein. I think I would have it.
Not bad.
It's a bit like plain though. Maybe because I brushed my teeth not long ago.
Probably.
It has that little, and I got like, I'm pretty sure I have 9 packs of these.
Oh no! Wow, 9 packs.
So hopefully I'll still enjoy them afterwards. You know, if you want to try it yourself, that's the packaging. You can get them in the best shop ever, just right here. I think it's right there. Yeah, Aldi. You know, no plug. But yeah, I'd give them. You know what? I'd give them like 8. I think they're no different to like normal crisps.
Hey guys, so it is lunchtime and I am bloody starving. My boyfriend Carlos has just gone. He's gone out to just to kick the ball about and play basketball, and I can't wait any longer for lunchtime. So I'm going to have lunch by myself today, and I was just thinking what I could have that's yellow, and I did buy. So I brought this yogurt from Aldi. It's very new. I haven't seen this before. And I wasn't intending to have this. I thought I'll have some chicken and rice, but I might have that for dinner. So I might give this a go. It's mango and passion fruit, which in fact is yellow. So I'm just gonna keep my fingers crossed, open this up and hope for the best that it's yellow. So, and if it is, fingers crossed, I'm gonna chop some bananas up, and I've also got a golden kiwi. So they're a lot sweeter, but they're also sort of a yellowy toned kiwi inside rather than just the normal green kiwi, which is a lot nicer. So if you do see that in the shops, definitely buy that. It's just amazing. But ding ding ding, we have a winner, ladies and gents. It's yellow, full on yellow. So I shall have fruits and yogurts. Yes, fruit and yogurt it is. So just gonna chop up the fruit, mix it all in a bowl, and that will be my lunchtime. So guys, it is lunchtime. This is my lunch, as you can see. So I must say the kiwis look a little bit of a greeny, yellowy toned, but come on, they're not as green as Carlos's one in the morning. So yeah, I think I'll take that. I think that's pretty yellow lunch to me. So I will start eating this. It looks really yummy. I can't wait because I'm so starving. So I'm just cracking on doing some work, and I'll be eating my lunch, and then hopefully in the next clip you will see Carlos having his lunch when he comes back.
Right, so I'm back. It's lunchtime. It's disgusting. So I thought, you know what, I'll have this food, then I have a shower, because I might be throwing up, so, you know. But I'll show you what I got. The thing I'm looking for the most is this. So it's a 50% mixed fruit juice, and it's apple. So yeah, can't wait for that. I've got chicken. So you might think like it's pretty nice, but I got curried coconut and lime chicken slices. pretty green, pretty grim, you know, not gonna lie. And then I got lime and coriander steamed basmati rice or whatever. I'm foreign, so. But I got that. If you can see, it looks quite nasty. So there isn't much cooking or anything. Rice is microwavable, and so is chicken apparently. I might put it on, I don't know. I'll think about it, but I'll show you how it looks once it's all done, and we'll try out. Hopefully it tastes alright, because it looks disgusting.
Right.
So, this is how my meal looks. So, as I said, you got
the chicken doesn't look green on camera, but like it's actually like, maybe I should do it from far away. Okay, from far away you can see that the chicken
But
is
this,
green.
guys, like if I just have a little whiff of it. Nah, I'm not eating that nastiness.
It looks fine. I had a spoonful.
spoonful, my
and it was absolutely fine. Like, it doesn't look very appetizing.
Guys, it stinks. The whole house reeks. I'm gonna throw quickly in the bin.
I said to him, right? I said, if it wasn't edible, then they wouldn't sell it in the shop. So surely someone likes it. And I even tried a spoonful, and it was fine. So, but the meal looks very nice, actually, very tasty. It's just got the chicken, spinach, and cucumber. Really healthy. The chicken looks really nice, actually. Is it not nice?
I'm just gonna eat. Just, you know.
What's wrong with the chicken?
Disgusting.
Why?
Absolutely disgusting.
You spit it out.
It's so nasty.
What? Because of the flavour, or?
The whole thing, like smell, flavor, it's dry. It's just... So I'm not having lunch. What I'm gonna do?
You have a nice drink, though.
You know what?
Try the drink.
I'll sacrifice all this. I'm gonna check in a bin in a second, and then go throw out the bins. At least this smells.
The question is it green inside? Because if it's not, then you can't have it.
Apple, innit?
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. One of your 5 a day.
And how is it? Would you buy it again?
I'll drink water instead.
What about your food?
Mate, if there's minus figures, it's minus 1 million trillions.
But it looks really nice, like on the camera it looks really nice.
Oh, maybe have a thumbnail of it.
So guys, it's time for another snack really. I haven't had too much food. Usually I have like a nice meaty lunch type thing, but I haven't this time, and it's currently 3:16. So yeah, as I said, I'm really hungry. I'm not really sure what to have. So I think I'm gonna have another yogurt, because we are going to the we're going for a walk to the lake, just with my brother's dogs, and just having a little bit of a walk around. So we'll probably have dinner quite late, sort of after we come back. So I'm gonna go for the Silesian lemon yogurt, and I'm hoping it's going to be nice and yellow. Well, probably, because it's lemon, so probably, but thick and creamy, what I like. I'll just have a little bit of a snack on this whilst doing some work. In the background I've got my brother's stream on. It's P&T Gaming on Twitch. He does YouTube videos as well, and he does streaming on Twitch. He usually streams 8 PM Monday to Friday. So if you enjoy watching Warzone, if you enjoy watching stuff like that, or if you just want a bit of banter in the chats, then you'll see me down there. I'm usually down there having a chat. And yeah, I'm just gonna have this snack before we go for a walk, and then you'll see me probably during dinner time making my dinner, and then I think that'll be roughly the end of the day. So yeah, I hope it's entertaining for you guys. Just wanted to say thank you for the support on my other videos, and if you want to see more, then definitely comment down below and let me know what you enjoyed. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, show me the love, and I'll definitely come back on Wednesday with another video. So yeah, I'm just gonna dig into this and finish working. Right guys, so it's now dinner time. We're back from the a walk in the lake, and we are cooking dinner right now. So I will be having just chicken, cut up chicken with butter. It's called a butter chicken, sort of this sort of packaging. You just pop it in the bag with a few veggies, and it's sort of like a yellowy orangey colour, but I think I could get away with it. It is sort of a very yellowy tone. Plus I will
use mustard.
So I do have a yellow pepper, which is going to make it a lot yellower, and yellow, obviously, baby corns as well, so that's also going to help. So mix that all together and hopefully it's just going to be a bowl of yellow goodness. Okay, so I have two choices for my side. So I either have Uncle Ben pilau rice, and they are definitely yellow. Well, actually, they look a bit more green, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, yellow. So yeah, down here you can see they're like a yellow colour, pilau rice, and even you can see on the packaging it's like yellow. So I'll either have this with the chicken. I've never had pilau rice, so I don't know whether it's going to be nice or not. Or I could have pasta, which of course is also yellow. So what do you think I should have?
Pila.
Yeah?
If you haven't tried it, you try it.
Yeah, I guess so. Just make it a little bit more fun rather than having the same old, same old.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so I'll try the pilau rice. I'll have this, give it a go. Let you know as well. I think it'll be a bit more fun. And then I think that's it. We're going to have our dinner. Oh, what are you going to have as well for dinner? Oh, I'll take out the stuff actually.
So I'm still going to have fish, chicken, but obviously as you have it in hand, you got pesto. So we're gonna mix that up. I'm gonna probably cook it in oven as well, my chicken, and then.
Not in oven, on the pan.
No, I was gonna say like I'll put on a pan afterwards with.
No, it's not gonna be nice because then it'll be too much
Maybe.
seasoning. But like you just like basically just fry it on the pan a little bit, and then put a couple of spoonfuls of this, and then mix it with the pasta. And oh my god, I don't know, like we've never tried it here at home, but I've tried it before like at a restaurant, calf style, and it was really, really nice. So like maybe it'll be nice to try. It doesn't look really pleasing, this one, like if you look here, it doesn't look very nice.
All
but
my food today was awful.
yeah, I guess so. I'm quite upset that I had like yellow colour because not much has changed. It's just my usual. I mean, we have this chicken most of the time for dinner, and yogurts and fruits we usually have. Sometimes I add raspberries or strawberries, so that's just my usual. So, but maybe let me know in the comments down below if you want to see another one of these. And then, as I said, I will remove. So we've got this yellow spinning the wheel, and then we'd remove the ones that we've done. So yellow would be removed, green would be removed, and then it would literally be more harder because there'd be more chance of you getting a more difficult colour. So
But maybe people would choose like more colours to add. You know?
yeah, you could. Yeah, comment down below if there's any other colours that you would like us to see, maybe like white or something.
But
Right, so I'm gonna do a little montage of us cutting up the fruit, the veg, preparing the dinner, and then we'll see you at the dinner table when we're having our last and final dinner. We may have a snack as well, just to finish off the day. I have two last snacks for dessert, which I just might as well, because it's for the video, so I might as well just have something. So after dinner, to end the day, I might have these, which is iced lemon cakes. Everything, I told you guys, everything has been lemon today, but these look just nice, like just fairy cakes with icing on top. I might have a few of those, or the Hartley's 10 cal jellies. I've tried them recently during lockdown, and they were nice. You liked it as well, didn't you? So, and this is yellow. Mango and passion fruit is the way to go. So I might have that. Probably the best idea would be having this, but then I do want to just use
Munch
this.
on these.
Yeah, so we'll see. But let's get on with the dinner. I'll do a montage and yeah, see you at dinner time. Right guys, so our dinner is finally served and this is what we have. So this is mine and as you can see it's just got baby corns, peppers, chicken, all in that marinade, which looks a bit like yellowy orangey, but we'll go with that. And then the rice is yellow, and then you've got a very green dinner here, pesto, pasta, chicken, pepper, green peppers and cucumber as well, which is just yellow and green really. And then we've also, well, I have this yellow drink. I've tried it before actually, so it's the it's a bit of a fizzy drink, lemon, basically lemonade, so that will go well with my dinner. Okay, so
I'm dreading it to eat.
alright, give it a taste.
Probably no, because the chicken is very dry.
The chicken's dry.
Because it's different how we cook it
Yeah.
compared to this. No, we don't do it on a pan anymore.
Yeah.
But it's eatable compared to lunch, so happy days.
Yeah, you got
6
nice,
out of 10.
nice big bowl. So I'm just gonna taste a bit of everything really. So the chicken and the rice. Cheers to me. The chicken's good. Peppers are good. Baby corns are great. The rice, I mean they're fine. Like I will eat it now fine. Like I'm not gonna throw them away. But I would never choose them and never buy them again. They're just not my type. I'd rather have like non-flavored rice. So guys, I've just had my shower and I'm basically ready to settle down for the night and just watch a bit of TV and go to bed. So I have got my final snacks. So there are some green grapes.
That's for me.
And then we have, I'm still finishing off my drink, which was very yummy. And then I've also got, to go with a lemon sparkly drink, iced lemon cake slices as well. So I might have a slice also, just to end off the day. And then yeah, that'll be it. So that'll be 24 hours, a very long 24 hours. It felt like a very long day. That we've been eating yellow and green food. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see it again, any other colours that you want us to do. I found it pretty easy, this challenge. How about you?
You know what? I say like breakfast was fine, the snack was fine. The lunch, when I think that'll be my nightmare. The lime and coriander rice.
Was it really
so
bad?
disgusting. Like even afterwards, when I peeled the packaging, I smelled my fingers, and I gagged. I was like, man, I'm gonna throw up in a second, and it was so awful. The dinner wasn't that bad. Like, would I have it again? I wouldn't. Like, pesto isn't my kind of thing, so yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow to eat decent food again. You know, so. But I guess if people want to see another one,
Yeah, it'll be definitely interesting to see, and I think this was the easy way out. Like the yellow and green, probably the easiest out of the colour wheel. Brown would have been easy, and orange, they're all sort of similar colours. Yellow, orange, brown, they're all similar colours that would be easy to do. But then you get the blues, the reds, the pinks, the purples. which would be very difficult to do. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see another video of this. Don't forget to give me a subscribe, a like, a comment, do whatever, and I'll see you next time. Bye!